think you like the song. Where's he going? It's just a birthday card. It says, "Happy birthday from the whole dog pound." Yeah, the dog pound doesn't like the card. Okay, you're calm, relaxed. I'm going to open the card again. You're attacking the card. Oh my god. Oh, you're taking it out of my hand. And there she goes. Well, I think you've expressed opinion. Can I have the card back?